Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for more dictations on daily basis. Get ready for the dictation. The quantum of compensation is to be determined by the legislature. The king has given many quotations about due process of law. For instance, he says distinguished American judge has observed a great desire to improve the public condition is not enough to warrant achieving the desire by a shorter cut than the constitutional way. I say that this is the constitutional way, and what is proposed is the definite legal and constitutional way of doing it, and we are varying or amending the constitution in the constitution way. I do not quite understand this throwing about of words like expropriation and confiscation and doing things apart from the law. Remember that the sole major change proposed is to make clear one thing which was clear to us at the time this constitution was framed. That is to say, according to the Constitution as it emerged from the Constituent Assembly, the quantum of compensation of the principles governing compensation would be decided by the legislature. This was made perfectly clear. It is obvious that those who framed the Constitution failed in giving expression to their wishes accurately and precisely, and thereby the Supreme Court and some other courts have interpreted it in a different way. The Supreme Court is the final authority for interpreting the Constitution. All I can say is that the Constitution was not worded as precisely as the farmers of the Constitution intended. What the farmers of the Constitution intended is there for anyone to see. All that has been done now is to make that wording more precise and more in accordance with what the farmers of the Constitution at that time meant and openly said. I do not therefore understand this measure of excitement and agitation in people's minds, not in this house but elsewhere, about this matter. May I straight away what I think with all respect that the joint committee has certainly improved the bill from what it was previously. I accept this report and the recommendations completely. There might be one or two minor changes in view, but apart from that, I think that it would be a pity to amend this as has emerged from the joint committee's consideration. It has emerged, as the House will see, in a much simpler form. It is shorter and simpler than before, and that itself is desirable. The slight change in Article 31 within bracket 2 makes the point clear, and as a consequence of that change, it has not been necessary to add too many matters there.